Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw an emoji and which is looks like yawning a man. Let's start the drawing. So we're going to draw a circle here. You can see inside smaller circle. You can already see that the outside we have already drawn a bigger circle previously before we start the drawing. So for the graphical presentation, we're going to draw inside a smaller circle. All right, and we're going to put a hand here. Okay, so this hand, this is a presentations of the emoji. All right, now let's put some colors with the marker. You can see the depth of colors here. All right, okay. So this is a uniform color, and we can use a marker to show the eyebrow here. So this is going to be the one eyebrow, and this is going to be the other eyebrow. And this part we're going to darken this main part with the use of the pencil. So let's draw it. All right, so you can see the total presentations of the emoji here. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please follow the playlist and you can have lots of options in different categories, and you can select your own choices which category you want to learn first. For the beginners, you can choose this category. This is very easy and very simple. So all the process step by step, it's shown here. Thanks for watching, and in next videos we're going to bring more other nice options and subjects. Thank you so much. Until then, stay good, stay nice, stay healthy. Have a good day.